Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google and enter menu. Go to Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable OK Google function. Tap Next, Agree and Continue. Now, let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.